Morning troops, another day, another drain. This one's very wide, as you can see, but not that deep. At the moment it hasn't dropped down to its winter levels yet, but it's no more than 3.5, 4 foot, probably even 2 foot in places. Can't see any surface weed, but there's bound to be loads of it, so it could be quite challenging. Blowing a gale today, but I mean this place has produced fish up to £30 for me, so hopefully we'll catch a couple of decent fish out today. If not, I've got a backup plan. If I ain't caught anything by midday, I shall pack up and head to another drain which I know contains fish that are readily available. Maybe not as big, but now we'll see what's going on. Let's get set up. Well, we're all set up, it didn't take long. There's another drain that's free fishing. All you need is an Environment Agency rod licence. There's about 3 miles here, double bank fishing. It's a lot of water, it's very wide. I say it's very shallow though, so location's are key. First order of business today, had to change one of my traces on the rod, looked a bit damaged. So it doesn't take long these days if you buy them ready made. I don't, I make my own. It takes 10 minutes to rustle up a new trace, and I store them in one of these gadgets. You've all seen them. Easiest thing in the world, keeps them out of the way, keeps them organised. So we're all set up, let's see what the day brings. Well, been fishing an hour so far. Not much happened. So I think it's time to set up a third rod. There's plenty of water there, so might as well go for it. Oh, here we go. Or is that the wind? I'm pretty sure that's the wind, but you never know. Look at them going past. Great, isn't it? It's lovely being out on the bank. Here we are, 3 hours into the session. Still no joy. Got 3 rods out now. One down in the margins, along that reed bed. Float fished mackerel. And my middle rod and my right hand rod, my normal methods, ledger dead baits. It can be a tough venue, this. But it's like anything, I suppose, effort equals a reward. But at the moment, it's making hard work of it. This is a main section of the drain I fished the other day. Just have a little stroll around here. You'll be able to see the section I had to double out of 2 days ago. And there it is there, where that drain splits there. To the left, it goes down to that stretch I was fishing. And if you carry on straight on, there's a bridge, and it gets narrower and narrower and shallower and shallower. I mean, look at the sky, it's nice grey overcast, not too bright for the fish, so let's see if we can catch something. If not, I think we could be shifting off to another drain. There's no sense sitting there waiting. I mean, you can sit here sometimes and wait for one big fish, one bite a whole day, but I haven't got that much time off work this week, so I want to catch fish. So what I should be doing is, if I ain't caught nothing by 12, I should pack up and move on to another drain. back to front on this camera, but average £20 9 ounces. Well, I'm just packing up and whack, there you go. You get a giant pike just when you're not expecting it. Well, giant. It's a beautiful fish. Had to weigh her. £20 9 ounces. That's the business end. Look at that mouth. She's a croc. Of course, the question is now, I was in the middle of packing up. Do I still pack up? Or do I stay here? Let's undo the zip. Don't want to go back tired from the fight, so we'll just leave her here for a few seconds. She'll be happy to go when she's ready. Like all fish, you just sometimes they need a bit of coaxing to go out, but look, there she goes. Well, the Great British Weather strikes again. Woolly hats and fleeces in the morning, sun hats and shades in the evening. Arguable whether my decision to stay put was worth it. You catch a 20, you're going to get greedy and you want more. So I've stuck it out. I reckon I've got 2 hours of daylight left, so I might catch something else. I mean, it's been a lovely afternoon and evening now. I mean, there's dragonflies all over the place. Only disturbance really is the tractors going up and down all day. Still harvesting, still bringing in the crops from the surrounding fields. But this is the witching hour for me. I'm expecting something to happen. I'm hoping for something to happen. Whether it does or not is a different kettle of fish, of course.